back. In this video, as you can see, I have a very nice monitor. It is model is P2714tT model monitor, and this monitor is, we can say, is in a base stand, so you can extend very sharply. As the reason we are showing you from the back to see you is let you expand this monitor as much you want it. If you keep pushing, it will let you expand. And the specialty about this monitor has a touch screen, so in order to enable the touch screen in this monitor, you need to another USB cable that's where you need to attach, and I'll show you what. This is the USB cable you will need. That part is going the monitor, as you can see, and this other part you need to take it into this USB part on the PC, so then you will be able to use this monitor as a touch screen.